Good morning. Walking to the meetup spot to go to, we don't know actually. It was a long day yesterday. He told us where we were going. Kind of forgot, but we're gonna go meet up, see what's happening, take you guys to some more cool places. So we made it here to Kylemore Abbey. There's a few restaurants and
yes, there's a restaurant, a Victorian walled garden.
All right.
South, which was an old boarding
Look at that. Cool. So we're gonna get something to eat probably. Are you guys hungry?
Food, yeah.
Yeah? You guys are hungry? So we're all pretty dang hungry. We stopped in at this nice like cafe area and got some really good food. I got some quiche. Brittany got some quiche.
And tomato soup.
You got a burger and tomato soup. And of course bread, but that's a different story. So we're gonna enjoy this and then head on over to the church and a couple other places. So.
It is beautiful.
So now we're stuffed and Amanda has turned French.
I am from Paris.
Brittany has turned into a loaf of bread along with me too, because we are full and
Will we go in here?
look how beautiful. Oh yeah, we're gonna go in here. Let's check it out. Ooh, wee wee. I thought that was chocolate. This Karen. Let's go check it out. Is it pretty?
Oh, she's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh wow. It smells good in here.
I'm going to take a picture from back here.
What?
They got it all ready for me.
This is beautiful.
You just have to ring for the butler.
Oh, this.
This is beautiful.
So, we've only been here 10 minutes and we've already been attacked.
We were attacked by the bubble wrap.
The bubbles.
Can you pop it?
They will feel the wrath of my foot. It's like a little jig. No. Jump the bubbles. There you go. Jump.
Jump on them.
Woohoo! Jump. Whoa! Your turn.
Did I tell you about the day I spoke in a British? I hope that I spoke in a British. I'm not going to say this.
Bigger than a cat. Yeah.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and maybe Sunday.
Oh, what is behind this tree back here? A secret little getaway. A secret little hideaway.
This is crazy. So my feet are soaked from running in that bog, but we're in Penny's right now, and Amanda's getting new shoes because she had a show them. She had a hole in her shoe, so we both have wet shoes. But yeah. Well, that was interesting. We're going out to dinner.
No.
It is, well, I'll put the time on the screen now.
Could I do that? It's like a minute and a half.
Did we go to the wrong way? We'll probably go
Can
this
you
alley.
pull up? I cannot.
Anyway,
Pull up.
we're going out to eat, so
Yes, but it takes so much strength.
we're all hungry. Beautiful day, guys, wasn't it?
I cannot do it.
Was it a beautiful day? I
It was
don't
a
care.
beautiful day.
I feel like maybe I could do that.
Brittany's gonna give it a try after dinner.
Maybe.
Maybe.
It's not a pull up, you just have to hold yourself.
What should we do?
Back in the hostel, and today has been amazing. As you can see, we had a lot of fun, great experience. Probably the best week so far, the best couple of days here in Galway. And I hope you guys have been enjoying as always. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. We got a busy day, so we got to get up at 8 o'clock, and then we are headed off to the Aran Islands, which should be beautiful. So I'll see you guys then. Dad?